Hey everyone, welcome to Creative Channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to eat a healthy diet on a budget. Eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive, and there are many ways to save money on your food bill. In this video, I'll share some tips on how to plan your meals, cook in bulk, and shop wisely so that you can eat healthy without breaking the bank. Why is it important to eat a healthy diet on a budget? There are many reasons why it's important to eat a healthy diet on a budget. Eating healthy can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes, improve your mood and energy levels, boost your immune system, improve your sleep quality. How to plan your meals. One of the best ways to save money on your food bill is to plan your meals ahead of time. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and make sure that you have everything you need on hand to cook healthy meals at home. When planning your meals, it's important to consider your budget, your dietary needs, and your preferences. There are many different ways to plan healthy meals on a budget. You can find meal planning templates online, or you can simply write down a list of the meals you want to eat for the week. Here are some tips for planning healthy meals on a budget. Choose recipes that are affordable. When you're planning your meals, take a look at the ingredients and make sure that the recipes are affordable. There are many healthy recipes that don't require expensive ingredients. Plan your meals around in-season produce. In-season produce is typically more affordable than out-of-season produce. So, when you're planning your meals, try to choose recipes that use in-season produce. Cook in bulk. Cooking in bulk is a great way to save time and money on cooking. When you cook in bulk, you're essentially cooking multiple meals at once. This can save you a lot of time in the kitchen, and it can also help you save money on your food bill. Use leftovers. Leftovers are a great way to save money on your food bill. Instead of throwing away leftovers, try to incorporate them into your next meal. There are many ways to use leftovers, so get creative. How to cook in bulk. Cooking in bulk is a great way to save time and money on cooking. When you cook in bulk, you're essentially cooking multiple meals at once. This can save you a lot of time in the kitchen, and it can also help you save money on your food bill. To cook in bulk, simply choose a few recipes that you want to make, and then double or triple the recipe. Once you've cooked the meals, you can freeze them for later. This way, you'll always have a healthy meal on hand when you need it. Here are some tips for cooking in bulk. Choose recipes that are easy to freeze. Not all recipes are created equal when it comes to freezing. Some recipes will freeze better than others. So, when you're choosing recipes to cook in bulk, make sure to choose recipes that are easy to freeze. Label and date your meals. Once you've cooked your meals, be sure to label and date them so that you know when they were cooked and when they need to be eaten. This will help you to avoid wasting food. Store your meals properly. When you're storing your meals, be sure to store them properly. This means storing them in airtight containers in the freezer. Properly storing your meals will help them to stay fresh and flavorful. How to shop wisely. There are a few things you can do to shop wisely on a budget. First, make sure you have a list of the items you need before you go shopping. This will help you avoid impulse purchases. Second, compare prices between different stores. You may be surprised to find that the same item is more expensive at one store than another. Third, use coupons and discounts whenever possible. There are many ways to find coupons and discounts, such as online, in newspapers, and in magazines. Here are some additional tips for shopping wisely on a budget. Shop at discount grocery stores and farmers markets. Discount grocery stores and farmers markets are a great way to find affordable produce. Buy in-season fruits and vegetables. In-season fruits and vegetables are typically more affordable than out-of-season. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribe, like, share,